PVEG system arrangement. There are three main components of any PVEG, and they are the following. The electrical generation produced by your solar PV arrays, the energy storage contained in your batteries, and then three, the distribution and transmission, which is operated through your inverter. Photovoltaic energy is absorbed by the panels from the sun and is transferred through direct current to the inverter. The inverter will then use this and optimize this power to both charge your batteries and power the load within your home. But before it goes to your home, it will have to be converted from direct current to alternating current. This is where the term inverter comes from. The benefits of adopting solar energy into your life are the following. It lowers your electricity bill, it reduces your carbon footprint and emissions, it adds values to your property, and there's always supplementation if there is an event of the power grid being lost. Now that we have a better understanding of the three main components of a solar system, let's look at the various types of solar systems you can install. Number one is a fully off-grid system. This is a system completely independent of the national power grid. This requires a large battery banks for night use and is most common in rural areas. It's not recommended in urban areas where electricity is abundantly available. Number two are grid-tied systems. Grid-tied systems use solar power primarily during the day and grid energy at the night. There is no energy stored in battery banks. Surplus power can then be exported to the grid if the right infrastructure is part of the community grid. Then there are hybrid systems. These systems make use of solar energy, electricity that is provided by the grid, as well as battery storage. Some models can also push back into the grid, providing energy for your neighbors. A great way to start with as you slowly build up your panels and battery banks. Your energy usage patterns and budget will determine the type of solar system that you are going to go ahead with and designing. Batteries are the most expensive components, followed by your inverter, then the PV panels. So let's examine each component in particular and understand how to optimally size them for your specific needs.